Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of The Fat Show. So in this week's episode, I'm actually not working on my car. I'm having a little bit of a parts hole and I'd like to do an installation and review of these Barrina T5 LED lights for my garage. So I guess my short opinions on these are I absolutely love them. I actually had them in my last place and they're super affordable, super bright, and really easy to hook up. So tonight I'm just gonna make a video of me hooking up these lights in here and then give you my opinion on them. But like I said, I already know what my opinion of these are because I had them in my last garage and I absolutely love them. They're super bright, they spread the light out really well, they're super affordable, easy to set up. I'll put a link in the description to the Amazon or eBay. You can buy them pretty much anywhere. They're pretty affordable. I think each set of these, I got 3, each one was like $40 and it comes with 6 lights. And I think each one is 2200 lumens. I'll insert the wattage down below because I don't remember exactly which each bulb is, but they're not bad at all since they're LEDs. So with that, let's get these things installed. And if you don't want to watch the whole installation video, I'll go ahead and put a before and after of me taking a picture of my car just to test the amount of light in here because that's the only way I know how. So for the before shot of my car with a constant aperture and focal length, I need an ISO of 3200 to properly expose the car. I ended up splicing into the power supply to my existing fixture by cutting the end of one of the power connectors off. Be sure to turn off the light strips before cutting into the wires. These lights can also simply be plugged into an outlet, which is what I did at my old house. I removed the light and installed an outlet. I plan to double-sided adhesive tape the switch to the end of the fixture. The links that come with the kit are only 20 inches long. I used one of the extra power cords to make an extended link. Keeping the same aperture and focal length and only installing lights in 2 out of the 3 bays in my garage. The new lights allowed me to lower my ISO to 640, which yielded a much better image, far less grainy than the first one. Hey guys, so that's a wrap on tonight's episode. So just like before, I continue to be very impressed with these Barrina T5 6500 color temperature lights. They're super easy to install. They're really good value. They put out a ton of light, and they're just awesome having a single fixture so you can spread them around and try and get even light in your garage or shop or whatever. So yeah, definitely super impressed with them, just like I was before in my last house. Pretty much my only gripes and complaints I had with them is I had one fixture. It's actually the one right above where it looks like the LED strip is separated from the base of the unit, so it's like hanging down. So I'm gonna email them, see if I can get another one. Other than that, the only other thing is it might be worth having some drywall linkers to put them in. It doesn't come with them, and for the most part, I don't think you need them. These things are super light. They're probably like a quarter of a pound, if not even less. So I don't think there's any issue with just screwing them straight into the drywall. The only issue is if you have to like, sometimes the clips are hard to get in, so if you're messing around with it a bunch, you can sometimes pull them out. But yeah, those are pretty much my own gripes. The one of them has a strip that fell down, so I'm gonna try and get a new one. It didn't happen with my old ones. And then yeah, probably drywall anchors maybe would make it a little bit more sturdy and hanging in the ceiling, but I think it's gonna be fine. It's not like you're gonna be hanging off of them other than when you set them up. So yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see from my rudimentary exposure triangle test, it definitely made it way more bright in here, and I was only doing 2 out of the 3 bays. I still have another set of 6 I'm gonna do the middle bay, but it's getting kind of late. I'm kind of lazy, don't feel like moving the car, but still I dropped the ISO like crazy taking that picture. I forget exactly what the numbers were, but I'll put them down there or whatever. So just a little bit of test to prove that there's way more light in here. So I hope you guys like this episode, and like I said, I'll put these lights in the description below if you want some for yourself. Obviously in no way affiliated with them whatsoever. I just think they're a good value, and I paid my own hard-earned money for them. All right, so thanks for watching, guys. Bye.